we are discussing extra problems for practice. So first problem is this one, integration of root over sine of x minus alpha divided by sine of x plus alpha into dx. So this we have to integrate. So what you will do, integration of this one we can write as what, integration of sine of x minus alpha divided by sine of x plus alpha, and here what you do, this one we are doing is square. If you are doing this one is square, so we have to divide with what, sine of x minus alpha into dx. This will come. So numerator is what, root over sine of x minus alpha whole square. So this one we can write sine of x minus alpha divided by root over sine of x plus alpha into sine of x minus alpha into dx. This one we can write. Now we have to expand this one. So this will be what, integration of sine x cos alpha minus cos x sine alpha divided by root over sine of x plus alpha into sine of x minus alpha into dx. This one we can write. Okay. Now sine of x plus alpha into sine of x minus alpha, there are two formulas are there. Sine of x plus alpha into sine of x minus alpha we can write into two ways. So first is what, this one we can write as what, sine square x minus sine square alpha. Other way is what, cos square alpha minus cos square x. So there are two ways are there. Okay. So here what to write. So first thing what you are doing, this one we are doing separate. So what you can write, this one we can write integration of cos alpha is constant sin x dx. So if in numerator we have sin x, that means denominator we have to convert in terms of cos. So this one we have to write in terms of cos. So this will come out divided by root over cos square alpha minus cos square x minus integration of, this will come out sin alpha cos x dx. If in numerator we have cos x, so denominator we have to convert in terms of sine. So this one we have to write integration of root over sine square x minus sine square alpha. This we have to write. Okay, now here cos alpha is what, outside only. Integration of sin x dx divided by root over cos square alpha minus cos square x. If I take cos x as t, then sin x dx is what, dt. So dt divided by root over a square minus t square. So here we have to apply formula. So this will come directly ln modulus of cos x plus, sorry, this is a square minus x square. So this will come out direct formula called sine inverse cos x divided by cos alpha. Cos x divided by cos alpha. This will come. Then minus. Here sine alpha is outside. Okay, here integration of cos x dx divided by root over sine square x minus sine square alpha. If I take sine x as t, then cos x dx will be dt. So this will become integration of dt divided by root over t square minus a square. So this one integration we can do directly. So this will become integration of ln modulus of sin x plus root over this one as it is, sin square x minus sin square alpha. Sin square x minus sin square alpha modulus close plus c. This is your answer.